Today let's discuss the A2 oral exam pattern and tips. The first task is about the monologue. Now before the exam they will give you a preparation time and options to choose in between. You should select the one which gives you more scope to speak. For topics and grammar for this task, check this video here. The second task is a picture description. You can describe everything that you see in the picture. For example, things, what they are, what are their shapes, what are their colors, where they are placed. Second, you can describe people in the photo. How are they? What are their outfits? How are their hair? How are they looking? Who they are? What are they doing? What relation do they have? What did they do earlier and what are they going to do later? Please remember to answer all the points given in your questions. Do not leave even one point behind. You can speak a line or two about a particular point, but please answer all the points. The third task is the easiest task. Why? Because you don't have to set your context. You just have to participate in a conversation where the examiner also talks to you. You will need to read the questions and the role that you are going to play in the conversation. Now you get a handful of seconds to do this. Try to understand what your role is so that you can form the questions well. Do you want to test your oral exam skills with us? Contact us on these details. Buena suerte!